Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our brand new collection. It is called Main Street and it is a gorgeous collection which is just a little bit masculine, so perfect for all of the boys and men in your life. Let me take you through the collection. So this is the first page, it's called Main Street Cafe. Growing up in a country town, we definitely had a main street. If you went anywhere in the afternoon after school, it was down the street. News agency. This one is City Map. This one is Parking Lot, gorgeous wood texture. This one is called Town Hall, and we most certainly had a town hall, and all the big events were in the town hall. This one is Estate Agent. And this one is Block Party. We'd have the best street parties at Christmas time in my small town. I grew up in Tailem Bend, famous now for the Bend Motorsport Park, but when I was growing up, no, we only had like 800 people and there was no racetrack there then. And this one is Botanic Park, and this is a fussy cutting one which has got some of these foliage elements and all the little tags. Okay, what else is in this collection this month? We've got some new little trinket mix. So this one has got some little paper clips, some brads in a couple of different sizes, some baker's twine and some cute little white tags. This is the 6x6 collection pack, perfect for card making. A new mini stamp, this one is checkerboard, sorry. This one is a stencil, it's called Prim. We have got our creative cuts and our laser cut, which has got some really nice things for boys on there. Cute new puffy stickers, these are fabulous, I love the colour palette. And a couple of new cut apart sheets working with our various essential dyes, and this one is for the card making kit. And of course we have got our magazine, which will be in the kit if you're waiting for the kit. Let me show you some projects. And the cardstock bundle. So if you're going to get the cardstock bundle, you're going to get 2 sheets of shadow, 2 sheets of elephant, 2 of tree bark, 2 of fir tree, and 2 of royal. These are some of the layouts, really cool, fun layouts, which I mentioned are for boys, but boys of all ages, like smaller boys, little boys, and also older boys, and great for family as well. Oh, another little dude. Great school photos. We will have that photo. And now we've got some teenage boys. So really goes across all of the ages and of course grandpa as well. So some really beautiful, fun boy layouts. I'm going to show you, if you're waiting for the kit, let me show you what is in the kit. In the kit you've got baker's twine. This is just our craft twine in natural. The little trinket mix, of course, some of our metal star stickers, our checkerboard stamp, our creative cuts, the Prim stencil, the laser cut, and of course the new stickers. We've got our magazine, which is full of scrapbooking ideas in the front and instructions, and some card making ones in the back as well. Lots of fabulous ideas in there. We have got a cut apart sheet and the collection pack in there as well. There are 2 dies you can add on this month. Let me show you those. So this one here is the first one. It's called Embellishment Builder. And it's got all these fun different things to build lots of embellishments, and the DT do that quite a lot throughout the kit. And this one here, which is called Botanic Park, I think. Yeah, Botanic Park, which is a great foliage one. So not flowery, because this is more geared at boys. So 2 great dies that you can add on to this collection as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this collection. The kits will be available on the 5th of November. Till next time, bye.